What's up, guys? Welcome to Rolling Garage episode 1. It's been a long time in the making, 6 months to be exact. Sold my MK7 GTI to make this dream a reality. We went out and we got a lot of equipment to make this easier. The whole concept of the channel is we're going to be building a long-term project and then also buying and selling cars on the other end. Obviously, the cars that we're going to be buying and selling, we'll have to spice them up a bit to make a profit on them. So we've got some tools here that's going to make that easier. But yeah, without further ado, let's have a tour of Rolling Garage's first ever workshop. So yeah, guys, this is the workspace that I've set up at home in the garage. We've just split the garage in basically quarters. Chloe.
Come here.
I'm doing the video. So yeah, guys, we split the garage so that I could have a small workspace here as I'll be working outside and inside. We've got the two cars that we're going to be working on already. One is to buy and sell, and the other one is a long-term project. It's basically here on the left, but you'll see that later in the video. So yeah, if you come in, this is basically where I'll be working from. Let me just show you what we have here. We have this cabinet, which is more of a display cabinet. I've got the Lego M performance cars here. That is because I'm a BMW fan. If you come closer here, you'll see we also have some model cars. This one is here just to add my daughter's touch in the garage. That's her model car. Here we have the resonator from the MK7 that broke. And here's some other memorabilia parts that caused it to break. So that's just for us to have as a memory, because those parts really caused a lot of headache in my life. That's just some amps and stuff that I have. But yeah, that's basically the display cabinet. Here we have a work table where I'll be doing like whatever work I need to be done on, like headlights or whatever. We have a air hose here, as we'll be running a lot of air tools. That is the air tool we'll be running, like impacts and a few other tools. The thing's gonna fall. But yeah, this is just the air tool we'll be running. Air drill, air impact, and all of that. Here I have a polish machine to get the cars looking in the best possible shape before they get sold, etc. We have our polishing machine, brand new, everything still intact, never been used. So the first car that we will be doing will be in the next video, and that is the car that we will be buying and selling. Yeah, if you're wondering who's filming, it's my beautiful wife behind the camera. She's helping me out to film the videos. Here we have Kick Automotive, which is a external brand that we own. These are the products that we sell, car care products. As you can see, this is the hydrophobic liquid ceramic quick detail. So that's a quick detail. We have snow foam. We have our own polish, and here we have a pressure washer to clean the cars, get them all in tip-top shape. Mandatory in a garage. There we have Chloe washing her car. Here we have our tool set. This is fully kitted out with the sockets, everything you need in a garage. That is all just to make things comfortable for us. because this tool set is on wheels. So when I am working with the cars outside, I can actually roll this out and work on it there. So that is why I chose this. We fully kitted out with bearing pullers, you name it. We've got storage compartments. There's another storage compartment here. So yeah, this is our toolbox on wheels. If you come this side, you'll see we have a low profile trolley jack. As the cars we'll be working on are stance vehicles, so those trolley jack is makes it easier for us to jack up those cars. If you come this side here, you'll see we have 4 trestles. The trestles are to put the cars up because we can't really have a lift here, being a residential area, so we're kind of limited in that. But as time goes along, we probably will acquire bigger spaces and get lifts and things like that. But for now, this will suffice. Here we have 50-liter air compressor. I think it's a 50-liter, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is our air compressor to run the air tools and other various work that we'll be doing. Makes things easier. Yeah, I just have 2 tires from the MK7 also that I'm probably going to use to make a table or something like that. And then I put an extra spotlight here just to make it brighter when I am working here for filming and stuff. But we also have our ring light so that the content can be quality. Yeah, Q20, everything is here that we need. So yeah guys, this is basically our mini workshop that we will be doing all the builds from. Now I'm excited for this journey. It's been a long time in the making, but without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the long-term build in this video. In the next video, you'll be seeing the car that we bought for buying and selling. So now I'm going to take you guys back in time to when we first saw the car online, went to view the car, and then bought the car and brought it home. How's it, bro? Okay, you?
Kashim! Kashim!
How's it? Yeah. Sure, thanks. Here's the other guy. Yeah, good. Busy with pictures. No, no.
Mas
I'm
hindi
gonna-
lama man sa simple yung show.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Mas hindi interested.
Yeah, it will be better than to bring it to the. Gonna bring it in with a truck.
I think I'm just worried. You know, I don't know what will happen on the way again.
Yeah.
Watch your buses and then I have to fetch a truck to put it anyway.
Yeah, yeah. But that's lekker. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Thanks, gents. Appreciate it. Stop, my bro. Huh?
So you're gonna call them?
Yeah. Going to the office now.
Fine.
Let's just go there. Record him all. It's recording this whole.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
We have bought a Toyota Avante. Yeah, it's new for me. I've never done JDM before. All of this is new. I've never actually worked on cars before as well. On my own, I used to just send them into workshops and stuff. And now I'm going to be doing everything on my own. Toyota Avante, Avant, I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but yeah, I say Avante. Needs a lot of work. Needs a lot of work. It's basically a project. Like I said, this is one of the cars that's going to be on the channel. It's a long-term project, but I'm hoping to get it running and driving so that I can still drive it while we're busy with the rest. But I'm gonna take you guys through now and show you exactly what this car is and what it's all about. I need to check out the ignition That's why I won't be starting the car in this video, because I need to check out the ignition. It only switches on if you hold in the back here. Something is wrong, so I need to take that out and check that out. The bottom of the steering column thing is here, which I will be putting back, and sorting out the nitty-gritties. The seats, these are the conditions of the seats, so I'm probably gonna have to get those reupholstered. Yeah, but looking at the carpet and stuff, I'll probably do that myself. It's just send the seats in for getting covered, redo the headlining, and then obviously there's one or two hiccups in the paint work. But yeah, it's like I said, long-term project. Silver top 20 valve, 4 AGE, yeah, ITP system. This motor comes out of the Toyota RXI, Corolla RXI. So that swap has already been done here. We've got Lenzo BSX all wides except for one, so I'm probably going to be changing the wheel as well. I got a wheel in mind that I'm thinking of going with, but yeah, you'll see that in the videos to come. I've already spoken to a few guys about the wheel, and yeah, I'm probably gonna order it in a week or two. But yeah, we've got coilovers. I'm not sure if you guys can see in there. There's coilover system that came with the car. I'm gonna keep it on coilovers for now, but the long-term plan is obviously to bag the car, put it on air. If anybody has a wide BSX wheel that they want to sell, 15-inch, let me know, so that I can complete the set, and then I'll probably just make a table or something out of the one narrow wheel that we have there. But yeah guys, that's the overall car that we're going to be building. That is Rolling Garage's long-term project. Okay guys, so that's basically our episode for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe if you'd like to join us on this journey. Episode 1 has dropped. Episode 2 will be out next week Sunday, 7 o'clock. And every week from there onwards, 7 p.m. Rolling Garage episode will drop. And yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you would like to join us on this journey, next time on Rolling Garage.
Let's try one more time. One more time, one more time, one more time. Come on. Come on, just start, bro, just start. Battery's dead now. What is going on? Auto electrical problem. I think the dictator is a problem. But the thing is, it was starting. I just wanted to start it to see, because it's been standing for so long. It was starting, but now I see it's not starting.